According to media reports, once Donald Trump is elected as US President, the Trump administration will be willing to greenlight F-35 stealth fighter jet sales to India. US Senator Marco Rubio has introduced a bill in the US Senate, which proposes to treat India on par with its allies like Japan, Israel and South Korea, regarding technology transfers and supporting India in its response to growing threats to its territorial integrity. Zulu Defense Systems has demonstrated its products to Indian Army's Special Forces, that includes trap loitering munition, Hover B portable recon and strike system, Recon 90 drone, and Volume 15 munitions drop UAV. Due to the sanctions on Russia, the US is facing a shortage of titanium and nickel alloys, which are critical raw materials for manufacturing jet engine components, and US production is insufficient to meet the demands. The Society of Indian Defence Manufacturers delegation engaged in fruitful discussions with British aircraft manufacturer BAE Systems, and the two sides outlined plans for future engagements to solidify partnerships. A high-level delegation from Panama visited Bharat Electronics Limited, and they were demonstrated the DRDO-developed lightweight man-portable battery-powered battlefield surveillance radar system. India and Russia held talks on military technical cooperation in New Delhi to discuss new initiatives under the ambit of existing bilateral defense cooperation mechanism. DRDO's gas turbine research establishment has concluded discussions with all potential foreign partners on intellectual property rights and investment terms, and it is all set to announce the selected foreign partner to co-develop a next-generation jet engine for the AMCA program. The DRDO will submit its recommendation to the Ministry of Defense based on these evaluations, and the final decision by Defense Ministry will involve a careful balancing act including geopolitical considerations. The engine will be a clean sheet design, free from the limitations of older generation technology, and reports indicates that both Safran and Rolls-Royce have offered such designs for a sixth-generation engine, and both have guaranteed export restriction-free engine technology. Boeing is strongly pushing to sell 7 more Chinook heavy-lift transport helicopters to the Indian Air Force, and this time Boeing is proposing its latest Block 2 configuration Chinooks to the Indian Air Force, that offers a significant boost in capability, with an additional 4,000 pounds of maximum gross weight, and an extended mission radius for most payloads. The Block 2 features upgraded rotor system, and is built with future upgrades in mind, and improvements in aircraft maintainability. Israel Aerospace Industries has unveiled its new generation of air-to-surface cruise missile named Wind Demon to the export market. Once fired from an airborne platform such as a helicopter or patrol aircraft, the Wind Demon follows a predetermined mission plan to meet a moving or stationary target at a range exceeding 200 kilometers. It is equipped with advanced day and night electro-optic and laser homing seekers, and it features enabled real-time video transmission, changeable speed profiles, person-in-the-loop control, and low-altitude hold throughout the mission. Hindustan Aeronautics has begun procuring materials for the Prachand light combat helicopter, even before finalizing a contract with the Ministry of Defence for 156 units, as HAL aims to significantly reduce production lead time. The use of this same strategy resulted in the successful delivery of the initial 15 limited series production helicopters ahead of schedule, which ensured that user trials by the Army and Air Force could proceed without delays. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.